Hello children, so we saw in the last class that is our chapter surface areas and volumes, okay, in geometrical part. Okay, so here we saw about areas and volumes of the solid figures. You know the formulas of area of a volume or area of a solid figures and volume of a solid figures. Okay, so here we are seeing about area of solid figures, that is combination of solid figures in our day-to-day life. Okay, so we are having so many figures. Okay, so we are come across so many solid figures. Okay, for that area of the solid figures we are seeing now. Okay, so we have example 4 in your textbook. Okay, so that is example 4. So it is given in your textbook page number 133. 133. Okay, so here Mayank made a bird bath. Okay, so Maya made a bird bath for his garden in the shape of a cylinder with a hemispherical depression. Okay, with a hemispherical depression. Okay, so Mayank made a bird bath for his garden. Okay, so that is in the form of a cylindrical shape. In the form of a cylindrical shape. Okay, so here like this. So this is a cylindrical shape. So here the upper part of this cylindrical shape have a hemispherical depression. Okay, hemispherical depression. See like this. So this is a hemispherical depression. Okay, so here you have like this. So this is a cylinder, you know that, no? So this is a cylindrical shape. So he made a depression like this, hemispherical depression. Hemispherical depression on this cylindrical shape. Okay. So then at one end, that is the upper part of this cylindrical shape, and the height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter. The height of the cylinder is 1.45 meter. Okay, 1.45 meter. Okay, so then, and its radius is 30 centimeter, and its radius is 30 centimeter. So radius means this part. Okay, we have to take here. So radius, the center part of this diameter, we can say this radius, that is 30 centimeter. Okay, and then find the total surface area of the bird bath. Okay, find the total surface area of the bird bath. Okay, so this is the cylindrical shape. Okay, we have the lower part also. Okay, made by the iron piece, and the cylindrical shape and the depression. Okay, so this much we want to find out the total surface area. Okay, so here we want to find out CSA of cylinder. Okay, CSA of cylinder. What is the formula to find out CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Okay, children, understood? First, what we want to find out, and then we can remember the formulas. Then we move on to the problem. Okay, see here the CSA of cylinder. What is the formula to find out CSA of cylinder? 2 pi RH. Okay, 2 pi RH, and the base part of the cylinder is base. That's right. So that base part we have to find out. Okay, that is pi r square. Okay, that is pi r square, and then we have to find out the depression of the hemispherical shape. Depression of hemispherical shape. So that we have to say that is 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. Okay. So here this much we want to find out the total surface area of a bird bath. Okay. So that is here CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so the that is the lower part of the cylinder is having hollow. Okay, so this part we leave it off. Okay, so we have to find out the hemispherical surface CSA of So this they don't ask. Okay. So the under part of the cylinder is having hollow. Okay. So there is no need to find out the area of that is below part of the cylinder. Okay. So we have to find out first CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. So finally we got the total surface area of the bird bath. Okay. So here what is the measurements it is given? Height 1.45 meter. H equals to 1.45 meter. Okay. So this is given. Example 4. Example 4, given height equals to 1.45 meter and radius r equals to 30 centimeter. Okay, this we have to convert it into centimeter. We have to convert this into centimeter, that is 145 centimeter. 1.45 meter we are converting it into centimeter, 145 centimeter. We are multiplying this to 100. Okay, you know the children how to convert the meters into centimeters. 1.45 meter equals to 145 centimeter. Okay, children. Okay. So now we have to find out the total surface area of bird bath. So total surface area of bird bath equals to total surface area of bird bath equals to what you want to find out here? Total surface area, curved surface area, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. See, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere. Okay. So here CSA of cylinder. What is the formula to find out CSA of cylinder? I told already 2 pi RH. Okay. 2 pi RH plus CSA of hemisphere 2 pi R square. Okay. So here you know the value. It is given in the textbook. That is in the sum. In every sum they are giving the value of pi. If there is no value of pi, it is given in the question, means you have to take 22/7. If there is a value, you have to write that only. Okay. So in this sum also they are given 22/7 itself. Okay. So we have to simplify this formulas. Okay. So we have a common thing in both the formulas of cylinder and hemisphere. Okay. So here we have take out 2 pi r. Okay, 2 pi r. So into h plus r. Okay, so 2 into 22/7 into, so r value 30 into h. What is h? 145 plus r. R is 30. Okay, so here see 22 into 2, 44/7 into 30 into 145 plus 30. 175. Okay, 175. So here, see, we have to cancelize this. Is it right? So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, and 7 fives are 35. Okay, so here see, 7 twos are 14, balance 3. Okay, so 35. So 35, 7 fives are 35. So we have 25. So that is equals to 44 into 30. 44 into 30. We have, see, 3 fours are 12, balance 1. So 3 fours are 12, 30, so 0. Okay, so 1320 into 25. So we have the answer 1320 into 25. We get 33,000 centimeters square. Okay, so that is 33,000 centimeter square. So area, total surface area of the bird bath equals to 33,000 centimeter square. Okay, so 33,000 centimeter square, we have to change that into meter. Okay, we have the value in meter, no? So we have to change that. So this also correct, but we have to change this into meter, means it is exact answer. Okay, so 33,000 centimeter square. So this centimeter square can be converted into meter as divided 1, 2, 3, 4, the 4 decimals we have to take. So 3.3 centimeter square. Okay, so we have the exact answer is 3.3 meter square. Okay, so this how to convert? So 33,000 divided by 100 into 100. So we have 4 decimals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we have like this. So after point, there is a zero means there is no value. Okay, so 3.3 meter square. Okay, understood children? So based on this you have a exercise problems. Okay, let us see exercise 15.1. Okay, exercise 15.1. The first sum I can do here. So other sums are all based on this only combination of solids. Combination of solids. You have to find out the area of the combination of solids by using the formulas. Okay, you all know the formulas. Okay, so again and again I am telling, practice the formulas in those chapters. Only the formulas is main thing. Okay, without formulas you can't find out any area of a solid figures. Okay, so memorize the formulas, understood the formulas. Okay, so then only you come to know the problems. Okay, so let us see the first problem in exercise 15.1. Okay, so what is the problem? So take your textbook. The first one, 2 cubes each of volume. Okay, we have a 2 cubes here. Okay, each of volume 64 centimeter square. Okay, so volume of cube equals to 64 centimeter square. Centimeter cube. Okay, so volume means we have to write the units are cubes. Okay, that is unit cube. So are joined end to end or joined end to end. 2 cubes are attached by one another. Okay, so the 2 cubes we are attaching. So by end to end, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So we have to join 2 cubes means we got cuboidal shape. Okay, cuboidal shape. So 2 cubes are joined to one another by end to end. We get a cuboidal shape. Isn't that children? Okay. So that cuboid we have to find out the total surface area of a cuboid. Okay. So here, see 2 cubes each of volume 64 centimeters cube. Okay, so let the length of the edge of each of the 2 cubes be A. Okay, so let A be the side of a cube. Let A be the exercise 15.1 first sum. Okay, so let A be the side of a cube. Okay, is it right? Okay, so then the volume of cube. Okay, if A is the side of a cube means volume of cube is A cube. Volume of cube A cube. Okay, so A cube centimeter cube. Okay, so here see volume of cube. Volume of cube equals to A cube centimeter cube. So here volume of cube it is given in your question, that is each cube is having a volume of each cube is 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. Okay, so 64 that is equals to A cube. Okay, so here this 64 we can write it as 4 cube. Is it right? 4 cube. See 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 16 fours are 64. So we have to write this as 4 cube equals to A cube. Okay, we are taking cube roots on both sides. Okay, we are taking cube roots on both sides. While we are taking cube roots on both sides, we have 4 equals to A. So A equals to 4. The side of a cube was having 4. Is it right? Okay. Now we found out the each cube, the side of each cube. Okay. So that is A equals to 4. So the length of edge of each cube is 4 centimeter. Okay. So find the resulting cuboid. We have to find out the resulting cuboid. Okay. So here, see, we have to draw the cubes like this. We have to join this cube by edge. Okay. See again, we have to draw another cube. So one more cube we are attaching to this. Okay, so now we have two cubes. Is it right? See, listen carefully. Here it's see, you draw in your rough notebook two cubes attaching this. See here, I have two cubes here. This is one cube and this is another cube. I am adding these two cubes. I got a cuboid. Okay. See here, the edge of one cube is 4 centimeter and the edge of another cube is 4 centimeter. So this is length of the cuboid. Is it right? This is the length of the cuboid. See, it is equals to 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 centimeter. And breadth of the cuboid is 4 centimeter. And this, so this is height of the cuboid and this is breadth of the cuboid. So breadth of the cuboid and height of the cuboid both are 4 centimeters. Okay, and then this length we have to add to each the cubes. That is L equals to 8 centimeter and breadth B equals to 4 centimeter and height H equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, we got. So from this we have to find out the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area, that is total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, so what is the formula to find out the total surface area of cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, or HL we have to write. Therefore, so here we know that is cuboid. So in this cuboid we have L equals to 8 centimeter and B equals to 4 centimeter and H equals to 4 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area TSA. Okay, total surface area of cuboid equals to, what is the formula to find the total surface area of cuboid? 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, so this is the formula to find the total surface area of cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid. Okay, so you don't know the formula, you can't find out the total surface area of a cuboid. So learn the formulas. Okay, practice the formulas. 2 into L. What is the L here? 8 into 4. Okay, 8 into 4. Then see here you have plus B is 4 plus height is also 4 plus H is 4 plus L is 8. Okay, so here 2 into 8 4s are 32 plus 4. See 4 into 4 here. So not plus 4 into 8. So 4 4s are 16 plus 4 8s are 32 again. Okay, so here 2 into 32 plus 32, 64 plus 16, 80. Okay, so 2 into 80. That is the total surface area of cuboid is 160 centimeter cube. Okay, the total surface area of cuboid is 160 centimeter cube. Okay, so as the same you have all the formulas in here. So all the sums you have like this in your exercise problems. Try it yourself in your rough notebook. Okay, children, don't forget to practice. Try it yourself in your rough notebooks. Okay, I'll send the notes to your WhatsApp. Cross check your answers and then write it in your classbook neatly. Okay, so don't copy down the notes easily in your WhatsApp. Okay, so practice it in your rough notebooks. Try it yourself. You know the formulas in the